I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble with your payment not going through on Rogers, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Check your payment method. Make sure the payment method you are using is valid and has sufficient funds. Sometimes, expired cards or incorrect account details can cause issues. Step 2. Verify account information. Log into your Rogers account and ensure that all your personal information is up to date. Incorrect billing addresses can lead to payment failures. Step 3. Clear browser cache. If you are making the payment online, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This can help resolve any temporary glitches that might be affecting the payment process. Step 4. Try a different payment method. If your payment still doesn't go through, try using a different payment method. For example, if you were using a credit card, switch to a debit card or PayPal if available. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. I hope this guide helps you get your payment processed smoothly. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask.